good job today. See ya.
Tô querendo respirar. Puxa mais um pouquinho pro meio. Aí.
Up.
Cadê?
We'll just leave it
Perdi.
there for right now.
Aí.
And you see those blue boxes right there?
Yeah.
I'll put it in those in a few minutes after it dries. And then we'll put those in the refrigerator, and later when you have
Bora, Planaria,
time,
vai pro
find
meio.
me,
Não vai,
I
né?
can take you down and set you up in the microscope room real quickly.
Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, I have to clean up in here and finish cutting up some worms. And then I'm going to lunch, so I probably won't be back.
Mas tá bom. Agora tá bom.
It starts at 2.
Yeah, I have English class.
Oh. So when does virology finish?
At 3:50.
Oh, I'll be downstairs in 419 by then. I think we better think about this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, come find me tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Lindemar, how are you doing today? Good.
Vou fazer um
Your cells
filme.
doing all right?
Huh?
Are your cells doing okay?
Yeah. I look at the NCS and I think one of the not bad.